Okay, time for another Scatterbug video. Let's go. So maybe can get Savannah 3 more. 2 more continental. Oh, archipelago, please. Sandstorm not yet. Polar maybe. Sun also not yet. But yeah, jungle is definitely. So let's get going. Oh, whoa, I pressed wrong. Oops, let's go. Sandstorm, let's go. Finally, he sent me gift after so long. I guess it's because he's busy clearing his friendlies. I know that feeling. It's painful. To have 400 people, one shot. Wow, a lot. And you have to constantly remove. It's very hard. Because I did. Oh, and I forgot to pin. Man. Damn it. My hand slipped. I thought I pinned, but then, oops, I didn't. Because I did share my code before. And it's insane. Oh, the amount of people that I accept. And even though they are not the one that I want, the code that I want to find. I mean the region also. It's tough. It's very tough. It just take me, like a few days to get it under control. To have now, I can, have at least a constant supply of those region, other country region. So yeah, but I'm still missing ocean. No, technically, yeah, I'm missing ocean. And maybe can consider archipelago because he also seldom open. I mean sand give. Yeah. But I understand because there are a lot of things going on. People are busy. And the Americas always have, heavy snowstorm weather is related, so yeah. Then sometimes there's natural disaster or what. So it's hard lah to. And as I know that some people they live is like not like me lah. My Pokestop is just at my house. It's like I can reach at least 3 to 5 Pokestop. Just there. Don't even need to leave the house. So yeah. Even though I live in the so-called Uru area, but not that it is considered to others. So yeah. So I'm blessed that there's constant supply of Pokestop. Like I said, I don't know, the people who nominate is not bad. So wait, can I open? I think I can open Sandstorm already. Oh, I need one. I think I need one more. Okay, let me see. Whoa! Okay, wait, shiny check first. Shiny check! Okay, let's go. I think don't have. I think should we need one more. One more. Whoa! Okay, no. What is this? Now got jungle and. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna crash it because I want my Sandstorm animation. Because if there's more than one, right, it'll clash. Then the first one that appear will be nicer looking, brighter. The second one will be I don't know, the layer is dull. It just cover the effect of the butterfly. So since I see jungle how many times, I just gonna leave the best for my Sandstorm, which is very rare. It's rare, very rare. It's very rare for me. Look at this, just nice. Ha! No, actually no. You look at this. You can see what the butterfly pattern is cover. There's the layer. I'm so sad. Damn it. I mean, I didn't really expect. So yeah. I didn't expect it's both to open at once. Oh, I miscalculated because thought I only have one Sandstorm friend, but oh well, I guess I forgot about the other one. No, I'm so sad. Man, sad. To get a perfect. That one is hard. It's very hard to get the perfect Sandstorm photo. So hard. So now I can just open. Wait, garden, right? If I'm not wrong, but I think. Oh yeah, I opened all the 2 days ago gift, right? So should be garden. Oh no, what's happening? Why I cannot see picture? What? I mean, as in the face. Why? That's light, is it? What is this? But I remember it's garden, so let's just go open them. Cause I still need to rate my smoke for Mega Sediments. So yeah. Just open. Oh, I think how many? I think need 2. Cannot remember. Or is it 3? Damn it. I think it's 3. Or is it 2? Check, let's check. One more. Okay. Where is garden? Any more garden? Any more garden? Garden. Okay. Let's go. Princess Street. Information board. Interesting. Interesting. Come on, garden. Let's go. Wasted the Sandstorm. No, I'm so sad. I'm still sad about it. Because if not, it'll make nice. What's that called? Nice picture montage or my YouTube video. Yeah, the what's that called? I don't know what's that called. Banner, no, image. I don't know what's that called. But if you all know, you know lah. Like the whatever that is. 89 garden. Okay, can. Garden. Let's go. And next is Continental, if I'm not wrong, right? Continental. 2 more. Okay, where's my Continental? Oh, there it is. Wait, how is Sweden under Continental? I thought it's supposed to be under Polar. Oh, let's check it out. Is it under Continental or Polar? Yep, it's Continental. Just want to double check. One more Continental and it's Polar. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, I should have. Doesn't matter. Polar is okay. It's okay with me. But yeah, look at this. Nice. And it's the number 4 Scatterbug. Whoa! And I think it's 96 or 93. IV. Not bad. 4 Scatterbug already. Let's go. Oh, 91. Looks like 91 to me. Continental. Let's go from Poland. Okay. Next. I think that's it already, if I'm not wrong, unless okay lah, they're all very close, but I can just open them. So yeah, let's open my sun. Where's my sun? Yeah, let's go. Sun. Ooh, a Sliggoo. I like that. Let me just open the rest. Hola. I think there's really connection problem. I cannot see the faces now. What is this? What is going on? Seriously. Just so weird. And it's like very creepy. What is going on? Oops. Ooh, nice. Wait, what is police something something? But it's nice. It's like eagle. I think it's like statue, memorial of the police eagle. What? I mean, it makes sense, lah. I guess. I hope it makes sense. I hope it's I was right. It's police. But it's nice to have a sculpture of an animal that's like realistic looking. So, oh, the lag. Yeah, I think this my connection problem or is very buggy. It's weird. Just very weird. I got a feeling it's gonna, hang in like, whoa, what is this? What? There's an antique Pokestop in Brazil. Interesting. Yeah, that I'll definitely keep. Interesting. Very nice. And amazing to see. So yeah. I only see before the sticker. I didn't really see before the Pokestop. So it's interesting. Must be their not headquarters office I guess Huh, interesting. Yes, interesting. Here we go. Ooh, shiny check of P2. Whoa, 600 CP is high, it's very high. Let's check the progress. I just need 2 more polar. 2 more marine also. Okay. Interesting. Wait, if 2, so I need 4. Oh, will it be possible? Okay, let me see. 2 more marine and 2 more polar. I saw 1 polar. One marine. Why? Oh no, I cannot open. That's annoying. It'll be like, the same record on my highest Scatterbug open in one video. Oh, it'll be the same. It'll be like, 6. Damn it. I'm sad. Wasted. I'm so sad. Why? Damn. So I only can open 4 Scatterbug in this video, and the rest is tomorrow. So sad. Why? Very sad. I thought it's like, whoa, can we not try or what? Guess not. Oh, and then my bag is full, so I was trying I can open 4. So sad. If not, if there is, then I could have, you know, it'll be a tie at least. Consider. So sad. Ooh, reflection of light. And then it become rainbow. No, it's just the light. Oh yeah, it split the color right. White light into a prism, then it becomes the rainbow color. So yeah. And that's it. Okay, that's it. So yeah, just more open. Maureen and Bola. And hopefully my archipelago friend send gift so that I can open it. And oh no, my the other coughing disappeared. So I guess that's it. So yeah. Bye.